Hey there, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 69 for June 12th, 2026. Today's AI news is pretty exciting, and I promise, no jargon. Let's go. Something wild just happened with your favorite food delivery app. DoorDash added a new chatbot called Ask DoorDash that lets you order by typing normal sentences or even snapping a photo. No more scrolling through endless restaurant lists and filters. Think of it like texting a friend who already knows every menu in your city and can build your whole order in seconds. You could say something casual like, I want spicy noodles and something sweet under $10, or send a picture of a burger you saw online. The chatbot finds matching options right away and adds them to your cart. This works because the AI reads your request the same way it reads any message and matches it to real items in the app. For students or anyone ordering food after a long day, it removes the annoying hunt through categories. It also shows how future apps might feel more like chatting with a helpful person than filling out forms. If tools like this spread, you might soon order almost anything online just by describing what you need. Right now, you can open the DoorDash app on your phone, tap the new Ask DoorDash button at the top, and try typing a casual request like something cold and fruity for under $5 to see what it suggests. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive where we look under the hood. Today's concept is how chatbots turn your casual words into actual results. You know how when you're texting a friend, your phone sometimes guesses the next word before you finish typing? Now imagine that same autocomplete got much better at understanding the whole sentence you are trying to write, even if you use casual or incomplete words. First, it breaks your message into small pieces it has seen millions of times before, like sorting puzzle pieces into groups. Then it checks what usually comes next in similar messages from its training, the way a recipe tells you what ingredient follows flour in a cake. Finally, it looks at the whole request at once to guess what you really want, like turning spicy noodles cheap into actual menu items. And that's basically what a chatbot like Ask DoorDash is doing when it turns your casual words or photo into a food order. It is not reading your mind, but it has seen so many examples of people asking for food that it can make a smart guess about what matches. So next time someone says natural language understanding, you can tell them it is basically superpowered autocomplete that learned from billions of everyday messages. Not so scary, right? Let's move on to some cool stuff you can try yourself. First up, OpenAI made a change that helps people who use their coding helper inside ChatGPT. Codex is the coding helper that can write or fix code for you. And now Plus, Pro, and Business users can bank their rate limit resets instead of losing them when they expire. Think of rate limits like tickets to a movie that disappear if you do not use them by a certain date. Now, you can save a reset for a busy day instead of feeling rushed. If you already have one of those plans, go to your account settings in ChatGPT and look for the new option to store resets. Try asking Codex to explain a simple Python script you found online, then save the reset for next time you need help with homework or a small project. Next, a free tool from Deezer now scans playlists on Spotify, Apple Music, and other services to spot tracks made by AI. More and more music online is created by computers, and you might want to know what is human-made versus machine-made. Anyone with a phone can try it without signing up for Dodger. Go to the Deezer website, find the AI detector tool, paste a playlist link from another service, and see what it flags. Now for quick bits, short stories that caught my eye. A Wired investigation examined Grok's image tools in detail. The review found these tools continue to host sexualized deepfakes of celebrities and public figures. The problematic images remain available even after earlier complaints were submitted. The findings focus on non-consensual deepfake images specifically. This situation prompts questions about safeguards at companies that provide AI image generators. The investigation points to ongoing challenges in preventing misuse of such tools. In other news, Visa connected its payment system directly to ChatGPT. The link enables AI agents to make purchases on behalf of users. Any such purchases would require explicit user permission first. The effort remains in early testing phases at this point. It illustrates how payment companies prepare systems for future AI helpers. These helpers are expected to manage everyday purchases once the technology advances. And that's a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, huh, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. And before you go, this show is part of the Nara Network, a family of daily podcasts covering tech, science, markets, and more. If you enjoyed today's episode, give OmniView a listen, a balanced daily world news briefing that takes every side seriously. You can explore the whole lineup at naranetwork.com. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.